Fall is coming and it's a fun time to put together great outfits. We want to put together really great outfits. We want to look our best. I think that so many women want to know just what's the magic? What's the magic of putting together that great stellar outfit? So today I'm sharing with you where all good outfits begin, right here. Today's video is sponsored by Talbots. Hello ladies, my name is Kay and this is Dress for My Day. I'm so glad you've joined me for this style inspiration video. Today, as we get closer to fall and it's time to start putting together outfits that, are more than just a top and some shorts, we got to put together something a little bit more sophisticated maybe, and you need to know the key of where all good outfits begin. Yes, you heard it right. This is where all good outfits begin. Well, not dresses, okay? Dresses are a whole different thing. But like any outfit that includes like a pair of pants and a shirt and a jacket or a cardigan and a pair of pants or, whatever, it all begins in this one place. Guess what that is? It's with well-fitted, well-chosen pants. Great pants are the base for all good outfits. You're not gonna have a great outfit if your pants don't fit, if they don't look great, if they don't just look great on you. Fit is everything. So today I'm sharing with you a pair of new pants from Talbots, and they are all about fit at Talbots. I love that they really do try to help you find the pants that fit well for you. I found mine. I found my pants and I'm going to share them with you today. But I want to encourage you, if you've not shopped Talbots recently, you might want to give them a try. They have so many great pant silhouettes. They're different. You know what? Everybody's different. There are some at Talbots that I can't wear very well. There are others, though, that I absolutely love. I love their Hampshire ankle pants. But today I'm sharing a new pair, and you're going to like these too. Talbots has sizes for Mrs., Petites, Plus, and Plus Petites. So they've got it all covered. And they really do care about your fit. You can make a style by appointment at your local Talbots. Go in, you can get fitted by their associates there. They know all the different pant silhouettes, the different jean silhouettes, and they can help you find the ones that fit you best. But let's talk a little bit about fit before I share with you the Talbots pants that I'm going to be wearing today and that I'm absolutely loving. So what should your pants fit like? Well, let me just go ahead and tell you, these are the Tribeca pants at Talbots. They are brand new. They are a viscose and polyester and spandex blend. So they're like 4-season or all-season fabric. So lovely. I'm wearing them in black. They also come in their indigo blue, which is always such a nice deep navy, really nice. They are a slim fit, straight leg ankle pant. Ankle pants are so on trend, and they are really the most versatile pant length when it comes to choosing shoes to wear with them. They're just going to work with almost all your shoes, so that's really nice. These pants have a high waist, and I love that. A high waist is so on trend, but it's also really nice to style, and it works for most body shapes and proportions. I love a high waist. It has a hook enclosure zip fly at the front. It has belt loops, but it also has these little decorative kind of a black metal, like a gunmetal, I guess you'd say, little button on the sides here and the little tabs. So you can wear it with or without a belt really easily. So need I go on? I mean, there are just so many great things about these pants. Yes, they do have pockets. They have little slash pockets in the front. They're fully functional. They have welt pockets in the back, also functional. I don't know why you would use them, but they're there. So that's really nice to have. So just a great pant. A good pant should fit you nicely in the front. It should lay flat in the front, or at least flat against your body. I know a lot of us have that little poof there. I do too. But it's going to lay flat on us. There shouldn't be a lot of bumps and bulges. No bagging. We don't want extra fabric there in the front. These don't do that for me. They're really nice, lay really nice and flat. These do have polished pleats there in the front, so not a lot of puckering, just one little pleat on each side. So that gives it that really nice stylish look, a very current, on-trend look there. Without the puckering, you're not going to get any excess fabric there. In the back, your pants should not bind, but they also should not bunch. We don't want excess fabric, but we also don't want them skin tight. Your pants should fall really nicely at your legs, just grazing your legs, just, just smoothly. They really shouldn't, shape around your thighs or your calves or anything, and these do that for me. And then of course, let's talk length. If they're going to be full length, they need to rest on the top of your shoe with one break there in the front of your shin. But these are ankle length pants, and ankle length pants are so nice and easy and versatile because, like I said, they go with so many of your shoes. This particular pant has a 27-inch inseam for misses and the plus sizes. And then it has a 24.5-inch inseam for petites and plus petite sizes. So you may have to have it hemmed if those dimensions are not right for you, but they work really nicely for me. I'm 5'8", by the way, and I'm wearing a size 10 in these pants. I'd say they fit true to size to maybe a little smaller. I wear an 8 in Talbots jeans, but I usually do wear a 10 in their pants, and that's what I'm wearing here in the Tribecas. So great pants really are the base for all good outfits. You just can't build a good pants outfit. Obviously, we're talking pants, not skirts, not dresses, but you're not going to build a good pants or jeans outfit without good fit there in your pants or your jeans. So don't compromise there. Make sure that your pants are the right length for you. Make sure they are the right fit. Just the other day, in fact, I was actually in Talbots. I was in the fitting room trying on some things, and I heard a lady, a couple of rooms down from me, talking to the associate, and she was saying, you know what? She said, I think I've been wearing the wrong size pants all along. She said, I think my pants have been too tight, and she was putting on a new size that the associate had found for her, and she says, this is so much better. And she walked out. I heard her, I didn't see any of this. I heard her walk out to the big mirror, and I heard them saying, oh my goodness, this looks so much better. So good fit really does make a difference. Let me show you a few of the ways that I styled these Tribeca pants, because one of the things I like about them is they are so versatile. I think every woman needs to have a good pair of either black or navy pants in your closet. Now, I like black because I do think they are more versatile, and I think they elevate just a little bit more. Black always elevates an outfit. So if you wear navy, and let's say you don't wear black, then I get that. So just stick with the navy. Like I said, Talbot's indigo blue is such a nice deep navy. It's so nice. But if you ever do wear black, I think it's so smart to have black pants in your closet, and you're going to see why. This first outfit I've put together is super casual. I am wearing it with a graphic t-shirt from Talbots featuring all these little dogs. Aren't they cute? Right now we're keeping our kid's dog, our son and daughter-in-law's dog, Cooper, and he is a miniature Australian Shepherd, and we're enjoying him so much. So that kind of got the dog vibes going, and I put on this dog t-shirt. I love it, especially under a blazer. But here I've worn it under a denim jacket and with those black Tribeca pants, and I used some cognac loafers. These are also new from Talbots, and I did actually have to size up 1/2 size in these. And once I did that, they are so comfortable. I can wear a little no-show sock under them or not, and I love them. They feel so good. So you could certainly wear black loafers with this outfit, but I wanted you to see that cognac is really on trend right now to pair with black. It just gives your outfit kind of a sporty look, a little bit of a, I don't know, an English saddle leather look. I really like it. And so I did also add a cognac colored belt here to, just to balance that out or tie that outfit together. Love the way this came together. I think this is perfect maybe for picking the grandkids up from school and taking them out to ice cream, something fun, one of those fun grandmother things you do. I'm going to be a grandmother soon. I'm really looking forward to it. This is a great grandmother outfit to wear on a day with your grandkids. Now this second look is also kind of equally casual. I'm wearing a black and white kind of a mock neck top from Talbots. It's really stretchy. It feels so comfortable, very lightweight, such a nice basic top that doesn't look all that basic after all. Really a nice look here, has a nice drape to it. Wearing it, of course, with those Tribeca pants, but I've added my sneakers this time and a black crossbody and this great little quilted vest. It's also new from Talbots. Love this vest. I didn't look up the color, but I'd say it's kind of a wine color or maybe a purplish, and then it has a little bit of a contrasted color piping it. Love it that it zips and it snaps. Love that functionality. And it has some, the gathered waist in the back, so it really makes it a little bit more slenderizing. I think this is a great look. My husband and I love to get away about one weekend a month, or at least a Friday, go somewhere, explore a new little downtown somewhere in Ohio. This is absolutely the kind of outfit that I would wear for our Explore Ohio days, as we like to call them. So just a good little outfit for going out and exploring a little bit, maybe going to an art museum, maybe going to your grandkids' soccer game, just whatever, just a nice casual outfit, once again with those black Tribeca pants. I think maybe you can see too that this might be why I think black pants here are so nice. Like I said, I love the navy, but black just works so nicely with a denim jacket. Black works so nicely with a quilted vest like that. And now here is another just kind of a nice everyday outfit for maybe when it gets a little chillier. Obviously, all of these are fall inspiration, but a cashmere sweater is always so elegant and so chic. This is Talbot's Audrey cashmere sweater. I have tons of these. I love them. They have kind of a really nice little neckline there and a 3/4 length sleeve. It's a kind of lightweight cashmere sweater, not too heavy. Feels really good. Now, I really prefer it tucked in to the Tribeca pants a little bit, maybe at least a little front tuck, but you could leave it out, as I've done here. If I do that, I kind of zhoosh it up a little bit. I don't like it pulled all the way down because you want to keep those proportions right. And since these are ankle length pants, if you're pulling your sweater out and letting it hang out, I think you kind of want to push it up just a little bit so that you see more pant, more leg. It will make your legs look longer, make you look a little taller, just really keep those proportions nice. I finished this outfit off with just some beige colored flats or little suede flats. These are from Talbots, but from a previous season, but I'm sure they have something very similar that I can link you to below. By the way, I'm providing links to each outfit below. These are going to be LTK links. You're going to go through them to the LTK post, and there you can shop the whole outfit at that one post. It makes it so easy. While you're there, be sure to follow me on LTK and go ahead and download that LTK app. It makes it so easy to follow all of my outfits. I post all of my outfits, both on the videos and from my blog on my LTK shopping pages. It really is the best place to shop with me. Now, I would consider this next outfit kind of a nice, almost casual work outfit. So if your work environment is something like maybe you're a teacher or you just work the front office at a doctor's office or something like that, I don't know, something where you're not getting up, you're not an attorney, presenting a case, you're just getting dressed up for your work day. This is such a great outfit. It has a little bit of color in this nice striped top. From Talbots, also a pretty tweed blazer that is so on trend, a little oversized, but if you keep everything underneath the blazer slim fitting, then that oversized blazer works really nicely. And of course, with those Tribeca pants. This time I've worn some black mules. You could sub in whatever black shoes you have, some ballet flats, some loafers, whatever. Just works so nicely. I love the way these Tribeca pants are just going from casual to the office. Now, I kind of conceived this next outfit as something that I would wear perhaps to church or another dressy event, maybe even out to dinner. It is a column of black. Love creating a column of black under something substantive with some color. So this is a beautiful blue linen blend blazer from, I'm actually wearing it right now, from Talbots. Love this blazer, a little oversized, but it's double-breasted, so when you pull it together, it's really slenderizing. Wearing it over those black Tribeca pants and just a black tee from my closet. I'm sure I can find something like that to link you to at Talbots, just kind of a scoop neck or a crew neck tee. And I finished it off with just my black heels, black pumps, really classy. I added some gold jewelry this time, this gold chunky chain necklace. This was one of my top sellers last year from Talbots, this chunky chain necklace. And I wore it all the time. I'm already wearing it so much again this early fall, and I know I'll be wearing it throughout the winter. I love it, and I know they still have it at Talbots, and I think it comes in silver also. So just a really beautiful outfit. You can see how these pants are going from really casual to the office to a little dressier and now to really dressy. This final outfit is one that I would call maybe a nice date night outfit. Just a pair of great black pants, my Tribeca black pants, with a pretty blouse from your closet. This is just a pretty gold blouse from my closet. Makes me think I need to get another dressy blouse with some sleeves or something, but for now this short sleeve blouse is what I have in my closet. Just a little gold. I've added some gold at my shoes with some gold pumps. I wore some pretty dazzling earrings and carrying a little clutch. So you can see these pants are so polished and pretty that they really do nicely for a date night outfit too, a little bit more elevated. So you can see I created, I think, what was that, 6 outfits, and I'm actually wearing those pants now too with this blazer and this black and white striped tee, so it just works with so many ways to wear it. Where does a great outfit start? It starts with great pants, pants that fit you nicely, pants that are versatile, and pants that are classy and that go with so many different things and can go from casual to really great looking. I think black is my preference, but navy works too, or some other neutral that you wear a lot of. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Let me know if you have questions or comments below. I always love hearing from you. Thank you again to our sponsor, Talbots, for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you check below for those links to each outfit. It was so good to see you today, ladies. Be sure to give me a thumbs up on your way out if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you've not done that already. I'll see you again next Wednesday. Bye now.